Hey guys, it's Caitlin. Just Caitlin. 147. I decided to do a random video about my collection of manga and manga and like anime kind of stuff. Since my Tumblr isn't to this channel, I decided to do it since I do host a lot of anime stuff. So I decided to show you my collection. My last video, I made a first video, and my last video was 18 minutes long, so I decided not to do that. And if you don't know what manga or anime is, it's basically Japanese cartoons, animation basically, and they come in all genres, and it's kind of like our cartoons in the States, but it comes in all genres and stuff. And so, and different age groups like we have in the States and stuff. So, I'm going to show you my collection of anime. If you are an anime freak, or I didn't mean freak, like an anime, basically like anime, you can message me on here, or you can follow me on Tumblr and you can message me on there. That'd be nice, considering I have more friends on Tumblr. I would have like my best friend and some other followers, so I want some followers. And so okay, I'm gonna explain that when I post on Tumblr, I post a lot of Avatar: The Last Airbender stuff because it's one of my favorite, all-time favorite animes. It's not really considered an anime in some people's eyes. They call it American anime because it's really basically the form of an anime. And then Legend of Korra, I post a lot. They came out this year, and I watched it and I really like it. And I think it's better than, I don't think it's better than the first one, but it's good. It's getting up there. So, okay. Okay, this one was on the top of my head. What time is it? I'm texting my boyfriend. Okay. Awesome. Anyway, this was the first on the top of my stack box. It's Italia. Basically, Italia is about these characters that are basically countries, like if humans were countries, kind of thing, and it's posted in like World War I and II stuff, and they talk about the stories of different countries during that time. So it's Italy, Germany, and Japan. So I like this series because it reminds me of my friends, and this is like one of my first like animes I watched, and my boyfriend gave me this one. It's basically a limited edition one. I'm really happy with this. Next one. This is called The Innocent. I haven't read it yet, so I really don't know what it's about. And it's basically, it's really dark, I guess, and it's about this murder, and I haven't read it yet, but I plan on reading it soon. So, next one, I gotta say, this is like my all-time favorite animes I've ever watched, ever. And I just kind of watched it on a whim, and watched the movie like 4 or 5 times, and I watched this in April, and it's The Melancholy of Haruhi Suzume. And it's basically about this girl who is a god, but she doesn't know it, and then this dude named Kion, that he's kind of like the human who like basically this human who helps her and stuff, and she wishes for like to meet Espers, which is basically a wizard. Espers, time travelers, and aliens. And then she makes this club, and lo and behold, she rounds up an Esper, a time traveler, and an alien. So it's a really good series, and I suggest anybody who likes really likes fantasy kind of stuff to watch this, or to watch this and possibly read it. Next one, I have Vampire Knight. I'm just gonna say this right up front. I don't really like Vampire Knight. And it's not because it's kind of like Twilight, but I never really liked it in the beginning. So, but I did like the beginning of it. So, that's why I got the first book. And I plan on getting the second one, and then I'll probably be done. And basically what Vampire Knight is about this girl named, I don't remember her name. Is it Yuki? I don't know. That she was saved by a vampire, and now she goes to school with vampires, and she's basically a guard for the vampires. She's a protector. It's kind of like that. And there's 2 groups of students. It's like a school with vampires and non-vampires. High School Host Club. This is one of my favorite animes and manga. Basically, it's about this girl who's mistaken for a guy. And these guys make a club to I don't really know how to say it, seduce girls, charm them with their looks and stuff. It's a really funny anime and really funny show and series, and I think all the girls should watch this because it's so funny and hilarious to see these guys trying to swoo these girls. And for Haruhi, it's really weird for her. Saying the fact that she's a girl, but she's pretending to be a guy, because the main character, Tamaki, wants her to be in it. So, it's just any girl to watch this, or read it, or whatever. When I first started, kind of browsing and watching anime, I went to the manga section and I found For Alone. It's basically about this girl who's a vampire, and she's dating or is in love with this human, and it's kind of like a conflict kind of thing and stuff like that. I haven't really read the whole thing. As you can see, that's what my book is right now. So, okay. And my final one is 5 centimeters per second. It's a love story about this guy and this girl who met when they were in elementary school, and she moves away and he moves away, and they kind of just fall apart. And it's kind of a love story, and they don't forget about each other, and they have feelings with each other, and they try to find each other, but in the end it just turns out really whatever. It has a bad ending. I can say that too. but it's kind of like a realistic ending. So, that's about it. It's like all my anime. This is the last book. So, I do have the whole series. I have some of the series of Haruhi Suzumiya. The second book has not been in my possession yet. I have the third one because Amazon screwed up my order. And then I have the second book of Italia. And then I plan on getting Ouran Host Club one, more of them. And then I plan on getting Absolute Boyfriend and some of my other favorite animes, 2 books. So, anybody has suggestions for me, that'd be absolutely great. You can message me on here or on Tumblr, my Tumblr. If you follow me on Tumblr, because I need followers. Especially anime, people that like anime a lot, because I need that suggestion. So, okay. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day and night whenever you're watching this. Alright, peace out.